Okay, here's something completely different. I've never done this before. This is a guitar that's tuned to, apparently the Tragically Hip use this tuning for some songs. It's basically C sharp, A flat, C sharp, A flat, C sharp, C sharp. Wow, go figure. So I'm kind of walking a tightrope harmonically. I have no idea what I'm doing, but so I've kind of let that loop. So I'm playing octaves, a little bit of single line stuff. First of all, have a look at this compensated nut. There is a compensated nut I've never done before. So this is EJ16s, just 12 to 53. I was bound and determined to set this up and intonate it for an off-the-shelf string. That's our split Takamine saddle intonated to this tuning. It's got a K and K pickup system in it. So it's non-active, it's passive, and man, this thing sounds wonderful. I did take out the whole Takamine saddle system and cut 2 solid pieces and intonated them for this tuning. And this gives the guitar a bit better sort of acoustic sound because now the saddles are butting up tight against the bottom of the saddle slot, the rosewood slot. We got the action way down on this thing. It's silky smooth to play. It needed quite a bit of fretwork actually. I dressed, leveled, recrowned, polished at the neck junction. All over the neck there were high spots. But we got it so it plays pretty slick now. So I'm going to let my chord progression, whatever it is, play. And then I'll kind of fumble around and do a bit of single line stuff over top. Here we go.